Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, learning from experience, and making decisions. AI systems analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and use algorithms to improve their performance over time. A major area within AI is machine learning, where systems learn from examples rather than being manually programmed. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain to handle complex tasks such as speech recognition and image classification. Most AI today is narrow AI, designed to perform specific tasks like recommending movies or navigating maps. The concept of general AI, which would think and learn like a human, remains theoretical. AI is increasingly used in healthcare, transportation, finance, education, and everyday technologies, transforming how people live and work. Why artificial intelligence matters. Artificial intelligence, AI, matters because it has become a powerful driver of innovation, efficiency, and problem-solving across nearly every industry. AI can analyze vast amounts of data faster and more accurately than humans, enabling better decision-making in areas like healthcare, finance, and transportation. For example, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier, supports safer driving through autonomous systems, and allows companies to predict trends or detect fraud. AI also boosts productivity by automating repetitive tasks, freeing people to focus on creative and strategic work. In everyday life, it enhances convenience through tools like voice assistants, smart devices, and personalized recommendations. Beyond efficiency, AI plays a crucial role in addressing global challenges. It supports climate research, optimizes energy use, and improves disaster response through predictive modeling. Ultimately, AI matters because it expands human capabilities, drives economic growth, and shapes the future of how we live, work, and solve complex problems. How artificial intelligence, AI, works? Artificial intelligence, AI, works by enabling machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Although AI systems can vary widely, most follow a similar process. 1. Data collection. AI begins with data, images, text, numbers, audio, or sensor readings. The more high-quality data available, the better the AI can learn. 2. Training with algorithms. AI uses algorithms, mathematical instructions, to analyze data. During training, the system is shown examples and learns to recognize patterns. Machine learning lets systems improve through experience. Deep learning uses layered neural networks inspired by the human brain to learn complex patterns. 3. Pattern recognition. As the AI processes information, it identifies relationships and trends. For example, it learns what features make an image a cat or what patterns indicate fraudulent activity. 4. Making predictions or decisions. Once trained, AI uses what it has learned to respond to new information. It can classify data, predict outcomes, translate languages, or recommend actions. 5. Continuous improvement. Many AI systems keep learning. As they receive new data, they adjust and become more accurate over time. In essence, AI works by combining data, algorithms, and computational power to mimic aspects of human thinking, quickly, consistently, and at scale. Artificial intelligence, AI, is commonly categorized in two main ways, by capability and by function. Each perspective helps explain how advanced an AI system is and what it is designed to do. Types of AI by capability. Narrow AI, weak AI. 1. The most common form of AI today. 2. Designed to perform a specific task, such as facial recognition, language translation, or recommendation systems. 3. It cannot think or operate beyond its programmed purpose. General AI, strong AI. 1. A theoretical form of AI that would match human intelligence. 2. Could understand, learn, and apply knowledge across any task. 3. Does not yet exist. Superintelligent AI 1. A hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects: creativity, problem solving, and emotional understanding. 2. Often discussed in ethics and future technology debates, not currently real. Types of AI by function: reactive machines. 1. Basic AI that reacts to current situations without memory. 2. Example: early chess-playing systems, limited memory, so 1. Most modern AI. 2. Can learn from past data to improve decisions, e.g. self-driving car systems. Theory of mind, emerging concept. 1. AI with the ability to understand emotions, beliefs, and human intentions. 2. Still in research. Self-aware AI 1. A futuristic concept where AI would have consciousness and self-awareness. 2. Entirely theoretical. Advantages of artificial intelligence AI. Artificial intelligence AI offers numerous advantages that improve efficiency, accuracy, and innovation across industries and everyday life. Key benefits include: 1. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI can handle routine, time-consuming tasks with consistency and precision. This reduces human workload and increases productivity, especially in manufacturing, customer service, and data processing. 2. Faster and more accurate decision-making. AI systems analyze large amounts of data quickly, identify patterns, and provide insights that help businesses and professionals make better decisions. This is vital in fields like finance, healthcare, and logistics. 3. Enhanced efficiency and cost savings. By automating processes and minimizing errors, AI helps organizations save time and reduce operational costs. It also optimizes workflows and resource management. 4. Improved healthcare outcomes. AI supports doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier, predicting patient risks, and personalizing treatment plans. It can also process medical images and health data more consistently than humans. 5. Personalization AI powers personalized recommendations, such as music, products, or content, based on user behavior. This enhances user experience across apps, websites, and digital services. 6. 24/7. Availability. Unlike humans, AI systems do not get tired or require breaks. They can operate continuously, offering constant support through chatbots, monitoring systems, and automated services. 7. Increased safety AI improves safety in high-risk environments such as mining, construction, and chemical plants by taking over dangerous tasks or predicting hazards. 8. Drives innovation AI. Fuels advancements in robotics, autonomous vehicles, climate modeling, space exploration, and scientific research. Overall, AI's advantages make it a powerful tool that enhances productivity, supports smarter decision-making, and opens the door to new technological possibilities. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, comes with significant disadvantages that need careful consideration as the technology advances. Some of the major drawbacks include: 1. Job loss and automation. AI can replace human labor in repetitive or routine tasks, potentially leading to unemployment in sectors like manufacturing, retail, and customer service. This shift may create economic challenges for workers without new skills. 2. High development costs. Building, training, and maintaining AI systems require substantial investment in data, computing power, and expertise. Smaller organizations may struggle to afford advanced AI solutions. 3. Lack of human judgment. AI lacks emotional intelligence, empathy, and moral reasoning. This can lead to decisions that are efficient, but not ethically sound, especially in areas like healthcare, law enforcement, and hiring. 4. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can unintentionally reinforce biases present in the data they are trained on. This may result in unfair outcomes in hiring, lending, or criminal justice. 5. Privacy concerns. AI often relies on large amounts of personal data. If mismanaged, this can lead to privacy violations, data breaches, or unauthorized surveillance. 6. Dependency on technology. Over-reliance on AI can reduce human skills and decision-making abilities. If AI systems fail, people and organizations may face serious disruptions. 7. Security risks. AI can be misused for cyber attacks, deepfakes, and automated hacking tools, posing threats to individuals and society. 8. Ethical and legal challenges. Determining responsibility for AI mistakes is complex. There are ongoing debates about regulation, transparency, and accountability. While AI provides many benefits, these disadvantages highlight the need for responsible development, oversight, and human-centered design. Pros and cons of artificial intelligence. Here are the key pros and cons of artificial intelligence, summarized clearly and concisely. Pros of artificial intelligence. 1. Increased efficiency and productivity. AI can process large amounts of data quickly and perform tasks faster than humans, improving overall workflow. 2. Automation of repetitive tasks. Routine and repetitive work can be automated, reducing human error and freeing people for more creative or strategic tasks. 3. Improved decision-making. AI analyzes data patterns and provides insights that help organizations make more informed and accurate decisions. 4. Enhanced accuracy. Whether in medical diagnosis, data processing, or quality control, AI systems can deliver highly accurate results. 5. 24/7 availability. AI systems do not need breaks, enabling continuous operation in customer service, monitoring, and support roles. 6. Personalization. AI tailors recommendations and experiences based on user behavior, improving customer satisfaction. 7. Support in high-risk tasks. AI can perform dangerous jobs in environments like mining, deep-sea exploration, or disaster response. Cons of artificial intelligence. 1. Job displacement. Automation can replace human workers, potentially leading to unemployment in certain industries. 2. High costs. Developing, training, and maintaining AI systems requires significant financial and technical resources. 3. Lack of human judgment. AI lacks empathy, moral reasoning, and emotional understanding, which can lead to flawed decisions. 4. Bias in decision-making. If trained on biased data, AI systems may produce unfair or discriminatory outcomes. 5. Privacy concerns. AI often requires access to personal data, raising risks related to surveillance and data misuse. 6. Dependency on AI. Over-reliance on AI can reduce human skills and create vulnerabilities if systems fail. 7. Security threats. AI can be exploited for cyber attacks, deepfakes, and other malicious activities. Future of artificial intelligence. AI. The future of artificial intelligence is expected to bring major advancements that will reshape how people live, work, and interact with technology. As AI continues to evolve, several key trends and possibilities stand out. 1. More human-like intelligence. AI will become better at understanding context, emotions, and natural language. Systems will communicate more naturally, making digital assistants and customer service tools far more intuitive. 2. Expansion of automation. Automation will extend beyond routine tasks into more complex areas, such as legal research, medical diagnostics, and advanced manufacturing. This will significantly boost productivity, but also require workers to learn new skills. 3. Smarter healthcare. AI will help detect diseases earlier, personalize treatments, and analyze medical data more accurately. Robotics and AI-assisted surgeries may become more common. 4. Safer and smarter transportation. Self-driving cars, drones, and intelligent traffic systems are expected to grow more reliable, reducing accidents and improving transportation efficiency. 5. Growth of AI in education. AI-powered tools will offer personalized learning experiences, adapt to student needs, and support teachers with real-time feedback and automated grading. 6. Ethical and responsible AI. Governments and organizations will focus more on regulations to ensure AI is transparent, fair, and safe. Ethical AI will become a major global priority. 7. Collaboration between humans and AI will enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. People will work alongside intelligent systems in fields like design, science, engineering, and creative arts. 8. Breakthroughs in general AI, long-term research, will continue toward artificial general intelligence, AGI, capable of human-like reasoning. While still uncertain, AGI could transform society in profound ways. Overall, the future of AI holds enormous potential, offering innovation and efficiency while raising important questions about ethics, privacy, and the role of humans in an AI-driven world. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.